Have you ever heard of an exosome? Exosomes are tiny, bubble-like vesicles that our cells naturally release. They are so small, about 1,000th the width of a human hair, that you can't see them without powerful microscopes. Think of them as biological delivery packages. Inside, they carry proteins, lipids, and genetic materials like mRNA and microRNA, messages that can tell other cells what to do. Exosomes are a natural part of how cells communicate with each other. They can deliver instructions to heal, grow, or adjust immune responses. In regenerative medicine, exosomes from certain stem cells, like mesenchymal stem cells or induced pluripotent stem cells, are especially valuable. They contain rich combinations of growth factors and signals that can reduce inflammation, stimulate tissue repair, and promote regeneration without introducing whole cells. This cell-free approach may be safer, easier to store, and more convenient to use than traditional stem cell therapies. Today, exosome-based therapies are being explored for accelerating wound healing, repairing skin and reducing signs of aging, supporting joint recovery in osteoarthritis, protecting neurons in neurodegenerative diseases, and improving immune system balance. At Avita, we are harnessing the science of exosomes to bring advanced, safe, and effective regenerative solutions closer to patients. Because sometimes, the most powerful healing doesn't come from the cell itself, but from the messages it sends.